Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this cross that is basically layered art. I really like it because it's not all the same. These spots in the center right here aren't in these other ones. But he wants to see what it's going to look like when he colors it. And for the one I'm doing it for, I'm going to go ahead and change your nudge factor to 0. We're going to take it in because I'm going to make a duplicate of this. Control D and make a duplicate. And then move that over to that about right there. Let's go ahead and I'm going to hit T and put them on the top, which really doesn't matter. I'm going to fill this in with white. And I'm going to fill this in with blue. Now you can't really see the white, so we're going to pick a yellow box. Go to order back a page so you can see the white. Now, if you will create them, well, we need to blend them. We've got those two selected, or we will. We're going to go up to effects and blend. We're going to blend 4 times to blend in those other 4. Now the color really doesn't change much, but it will be cool. I think he's actually going to take that blue and then add a little white to it, add a little more white till it gets to pure white, if I understand right. Then you're going to take the Smart Fill tool, and if you do this one first, which is your bottom layer, then you're creating a new object, and the new object will be in that order. So when we put them in the center of the page in here in a second. So I'm just taking the Smart Fill tool and getting the eyedropper. Go back to the Smart Fill tool. And then the white one, I'm actually going to have to probably zoom in so I can see it. Smart Fill tool, sample, and that's just white, so I could just do white. I'm actually going to have to zoom in some more. There we go. Now we're going to, let's look at this with the yellow box, and that's what you got. Now, because the fact that we drew them in that order, all we have to do is select them all and hit P because the outside shape is the same. So that's what it's going to look like. And it's kind of cool because there's white until the other layers. And then here, they're different. I kind of like the design. Normally when I do stuff like this, everything is colored. I really like this. It looks really cool. And I'm going to show you one other little bit of information just to kind of show you that this would work. Or really you could kind of show the colors at first. We're going to make that blue and we're going to get the interactive fill tool. And we're going to go all the way across. We're getting the same colors with the interactive fill tool. We could actually make that all the way if we go there, but there's your other colors. Now, this is 6 layers. It's going to be a little bit hard to glue together perfectly, and I've got a video on that, but I'm actually going to make, because the outside shape is the same on all of them, I'm going to make another video on how you could, no, they're not. Well, maybe the side shapes are, because the top shape is a little bit different. Anyway, I'm going to make a second video that would maybe help him glue this down. So maybe stay tuned for part 2. Hope this helped. Thank you for watching.